Well, we're at another stop, so take a little bit more video. I got my hat on. So gonna take a little hike here and get down closer to the Colorado River. See it way down there? So, you know, I'm gonna shut my camera off while we take this hike. Yeah? Yeah, alright. So, you can watch me fall.
Actually, that's good for the insurance company.
Yeah. That's right.
Not bad right here.
No. But I figured if it's a long walk, I didn't want to waste a bunch of video.
You can always edit it down.
Yeah. So, anyways, I don't know if you people want to hear my commentary. I'm not really good at speaking on my videos. As everybody knows, I don't really say a whole lot. But, take a cruise down here. It's a beautiful day though. It's not really hot. I think it's 90 degrees. Got a little breeze going. Got the sun out. About 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, like I said in the other video, if you haven't been up here, it's well worth the trip to come up to Moab. And still, we're in Canyonlands, and we'll be here for the whole day, so I'm hoping to get a lot of video of this, but yeah. It would have been nice if we would have brought our YXZs up and did some trail riding, but we brought my aunt, and she's in her 80s, and we wanted to do something, you know, with her. Well, we got the time off to do it, so. And she loves coming out to the parks and stuff like this, so thought it would be a good opportunity to take a little trip to Moab.
Well, it's going to be worth it. I think it's right here. It's going to look really good.
Yeah. I hope I didn't bore all you people with this walk. That's not too bad. I mean, literally, it took, what, 5 minutes to walk down here, so.
Oh, yeah, dude. It's worth it. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's that good, huh?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't see. Are we on a cliff here? I want to get too close.
Yeah. Well, we probably are, so. Yeah, I don't have to tell your mom. Hey, man. Eddie fell off the side. Oh, yeah.
No, dude. It's fucking insane.
Yeah. Whew. It was a little bit of a hike, but oh man, it's absolutely beautiful up here.
Gonna go out on that ledge?
No.
I don't blame you.
Yeah, I'm cool.
I am too.
You know what? I'm like you. Being in a high building is cool. but being out on the cliff, maybe not so. So anyways, yeah, it was pretty cool to walk down here. Got the Colorado River down there. There's a couple of places that you could actually see the river, but there's no place to stop. So this was our turnout. I guess it was okay for being a view outlook, but if they would have did it, you know, maybe 300 yards back, would have probably been a better place to have the turnout, so you could actually see the water. But yeah, so we're both taking video at the same time. So yeah, it is a ways down.
I wouldn't get, whatever.
Yeah, I'm not going too much farther. Oh no, I got about 5 feet.
One for Patrick?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, got one of our buddies, and wherever we go, we always take a picture of me flipping him off. So had to give my contribution to my buddy Patrick. And for you people that watch my videos, you know Patrick. So yeah, he's not with us right now. Him trying to park his buggy. So yeah, thank you guys for all those views too. Wow, it is
There's
really
a lot of green down there.
really beautiful down here.
Around the river.
Oh, of course. Yeah, well, that's where all the water's at.
But it's a trip because it's all walled in. It's all desert.
Yeah.
And then down there it's beautiful.
And really, too, you know, those cliffs are probably, you know, 300 or 400 feet tall, too. And then on top of that, we're, you know, like another 1,000 feet on top of that. Yeah, it is awful beautiful out here. So anyways, until my next video,